It's real Jamaican Foodies there. I know you have Toby on the scene, and today we'll be dining at Dle Cafe at Fairview, right? And I have my girl Raquel with me who will be dining, and we're super excited. Now, I want to take the time out to big up everybody that has take the time out to like our videos, to share it, to comment, and to subscribe. We appreciate you, and we just want you to continue watching, and that's the reason why we're creating content, right? So today we'll be sitting down and we'll be dining. Not a lot of persons are in there, so it's safe. And just a little shout out to my girl D, who provided me with these wonderful earrings. Check her out, Body Candy, on Instagram. Go on over, go and support her. These are really neat and pretty. Yes, so guys, we're going in action. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're here and we're going to be seated soon. Oh, then so everybody is in action. And it's such a wonderful setting. I like the setting. And it's a wait to be seated, so we're waiting. Hey guys, so we're here and we got our menu. Right? So
I started searching for food already.
so I hope you can hear us. So yeah. So we're going through, and then someone is gonna come and take our order. And Raquel actually works here, so she will be giving me some tips on what to eat and what not to eat.
Everything here is good. So today I'm going to try something I've never tried before.
And the setting is really nice, guys. You know, if you're like uptown, you can't come out here. So I hear spot this.
They're reasonable.
Yeah, the prices seem reasonable so far, but let's not get ahead of ourselves, you know.
Until you order.
What were you recommending for me to?
Alright, like you can be looking for wrap. The plantain barbecue bean wrap is pretty. It's a nice bean and choice. Chow. Then sandwiches, wraps, salads, flatbread. The flatbreads are 9 minutes. Those are salads.
You should tell me everything, people.
So you can either do a flatbread or a plantain bean wrap.
Whole jackfruit burger.
Yes. It's barbecue jackfruit. Tastes really good.
Okay, so Raquel recommends the plantain barbecue bean wrap. So that is what I'll be having today.
And I'll be having the smoked marlin crab.
Oh, she sound like that's so nice. Why?
I've never tried the smoked marlin crab before, so I'm going to try that today.
Where's the crab?
Here.
And what's the soup that you have on the menu?
Yeah, chicken pumpkin soup today.
Chicken pumpkin soup. Can I have, what's this?
They have 400 and 600.
Oh.
So you can have the small.
Can I have a small one? Our waitress, she is social distancing.
You're trying any of them smoothie?
The smoothie. Where's the smoothie now? The smoothie now think what I've tried before. I think I've tried the tropical coconut banana. Which one you recommend, Raquel?
You can try the mango slime, which is mango, pineapple, blueberries, or the lime of passion.
Yeah, I like the lime of passion. That lime of passion smoothie.
Check it out.
Medium. Why different?
$100.
How big is the size? You know, I forget it based on the money. So they specialize in vegan, mostly vegan food. And I think I'll take it in the to-go cup. The large size. Okay, thank you for taking our order.
Would you like to share pieces?
Sure.
Okay, so I have a fancy barbecue dinner, a smoked marinade crab, one small fruit, and a large round of cotton to go.
Thank you.
So guys, today we're gonna have chit chat with Raquel. Right? So Raquel, I have a few questions to ask you. In terms of what is it like, because I don't normally don't normally do videos with someone that works at the place. So what is it like working here at Dle? Because I love the environment. I'll just work here just to be in the settings.
Alright, so working at Dle, it's like a place of comfort. It's a place of comfort where whenever you come to work, you feel relaxed. You feel like you're a family. And it's easier to work in an environment like that where you don't have to worry about having conflicts or anything of that sort. And the food here is really good and healthy. So you don't have to think about going out to eat unhealthy food, like food with a lot of oil or too much processing or stuff like that. So it's really good working here.
Okay, that is a great response. So Dle, you know, say I have one good employee and if you give her a raise, you know? Yes. So it's good when you can work in an environment where you feel comfortable to be yourself. That way you can perform at a maximum level, right? You don't have the additional stress from home coming to work and having work stress. So it's really good that you enjoy your job. So we're here, we're chilling, we're waiting on our appetizer, which is the soup. We're gonna have pumpkin soup with chicken.
Yes.
Right? And what I ordered a wrap. It's vegan. And Raquel, you ordered
Smoked marlin crab.
okay, so we're eating healthy today, guys.
Yes, today is healthy day.
Yes, and we got our water here, and as you can see,
It's also filtered water, so it's a bit healthy. So they have a version of water which is healthy water.
alright guys, so you'll see it all. We'll be eating, we'll be telling you how it tastes, and persons just I'm here, I see that persons just come by, pick up, grab a lunch and go back to work. So if you're in the Fairview area, well, after I taste my meal, I'll tell you if you should stop by, you know. Alright, see you guys.
Illtraxx Records.
We're having our appetizer, guys. So far, the soup is really tasty, and it's not salt. Actually, I don't think they have no salt in it, which we understand because they're living the healthy way. for me.
Yours is ready. You can bring it.
Guys, it's really look nice. I want you to see it. So, because Raquel worked with India food before me, isn't it? I joke, my make. This is my wrap, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm tasting the Marlin crepe, and I'm going to taste my
Bean wrap.
bean
Plantain barbecue bean wrap.
plantain barbecue bean wrap. Okay, this is when you don't pay attention; you just order based on what people tell you. You know. Hey guys, so we've tasted our food, we've eaten it, and now we're back with a review. Right? So first, we're going to start with customer service, which I really, right now, I think I want to stay here and be a part of the family, you know, because they were really nice and helpful, and I really appreciate that. You know, it's very rare you go somewhere and get good customer service. Well, maybe because Raquel they here with me,
No.
so they're afraid Raquel beat them up to me. So, but everyone was nice, from the server to the chef to the person making the smoothie. It's a real good experience being here, and the atmosphere is really nice and smoothing. Right? So we're gonna go straight into the food, right? So it was really presentable, I have to say. I really love how everything look, and right now I feel real healthy. So I had the plantain barbecue bean wrap, right? And I'm not really going to go into to list everything that is in there, but I'm gonna put it right down below the screen so you can see. Right, so the taste it had a really mild taste. It wasn't spicy, there wasn't anything spicy. The barbecue sauce, the mango barbecue sauce, gave it a fruity taste, and it was very evident. You could taste it in there, which gave it a delightful taste with the bean. So the barbecue sauce was carrying the taste, right? And you know, you have the spinach wrap, which everything was wrapped in, and it was really tasteful to the tongue. And if you are a vegan person, I'm sure that you'll super enjoy it, because it's not salt. If them put salt in it, I don't know how I taste it, right? And it's just natural and nice. I got some beetroot chips on the side, they're really, really amazing, I must say. They're not salty, and it's just crispy and nice. It wasn't what I expect. It's really like one chips, really, really nice. It come out well. And I got my smoothie. I still have it. I believe it's the lime of passion. It's what the name says. Lime of passion. So, but it's very refreshing, right? It's not sweet. I don't believe they add any sugar or anything to it. So it's just a natural fruit and maybe a tubs of water and some ice, and that's it. So it's straight healthy. So if you are someone about your health, right, out here, so is the place to be, right? So we're gonna go right into what Raquel had.
I had the smoked marlin prep. It was super amazing. I like the spice in it. It gives it a nice kick with the cheese, and the pepper jelly was the bomb. Toby got jealous.
I had to take a slice, guys, because when I just taste it, like everything coming together, the spice, the cheese, though I'm not supposed to eat any cheese, the jelly, the spicy jelly, is it a spicy jelly, and all the they put, it's a vegetable, they cut it up, the kale, everything, cutting up and being it just give you a pop on your tongue. And the smoked marlin, oh my god, it was good. Me not tell no lie. That's what, when I come out here again, that's what I'm gonna order.
So if you're looking for something different, you could try one of the crepes. If you don't do marlin, they have a variety, so you can probably try one. It's really different and it's really tasty.
Okay, so guys, if the prices are really, for my wrap, I paid $1,200. I did order a serving of soup. It's for $400, and I tell you, it real rich. The pumpkin, like real rich and nice. Need to go find the deli farmer. You know, I don't know who they order from, but I need to get the link, right? And the drink is for $700, right? So if you totally up, it's not a bad price, especially if you are about your health and you know that once you're vegan, everything is a bit pricey and a bit expensive, and it's hard to find good tasting food and healthy and like safe and clean, you know, because I mean, we're all about our health in these times. So I definitely recommend out here. I'm not sure if it's because you're going through the pandemic, why there's not a lot of persons crowded out here, but I like that. For me, I don't like crowd. So I like that my waitress, she could focus on me, get my order, and we didn't wait long. The wait time was about 10 minutes, and we got the soup, the appetizer, in about 5 minutes, right? So the wait time was really appropriate. So you don't say if you're hungry, you're not have to starve before you get the food. Yes. So overall experience, I'm going to give this a 9, right?
Because they don't give 10.
Because we don't give 10, right? And for price, it is affordable and reasonable for my local Jamaicans, and for my tourist friends. You can all come here, right? So you know, have anything to say, Raquel, before we leave?
You know, I can't really give much comments because I work here, right?
She can't really give because she's afraid she knows the job, isn't it? But anyways, you know, guys, let us know if you have ever been out here. Please like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, right? Real Jamaican foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? Out.